a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated steering wheel, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, rear view camera. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.